I'm Harrison, and this is Jordan. Hello.
And this is Connor, the tea boy.
And we're going to show you how to make tea.
First, you'll need a kettle. Remove the lid.
And fill only with the finest crystal of Buxton spring water. Fire.
Next, bring the water to boil, gently, and relax. You deserve it.
Now select the tea bag that represents yourself. This one is stuffed and crumpled, just like me.
And now replace the lid, because we're not savages. Let's check back with the water.
Just under 100 degrees Celsius. Now spiral the water on top of the tea bag. You just unlocked instant brewing. Nice. Now allow the smell of the tea to enlighten you, just like this overblown shot.
Squeeze once. Squeeze a second time. Invert the spoon and then squeeze a third and final time.
Now dispose of the tea bag. Dink for good measure. Now we need expertly cooled cow juice. Or milk, as we call it. Spiral into the tea and stare deep into its marbled surface, like the new nebula in a galaxy. Wonderful.
And with the 3 dings of victory, your battle is over.
Now you know how to make tea.
There you go.